In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Miro board effectively. Whether you're collaborating closely with a small team or aiming for a wider organizational reach, knowing how to share your Miro board efficiently can make all the difference in facilitating collaboration and communication. So, let's dive right into the details. To begin, you'll find yourself inside a Miro board, and your first step is to open the Share dialog. This can be done by navigating to the top right corner and clicking on the Share button. From the dashboard, on the other hand, you can hover over the board card, click on the menu represented by 3 dots, and then select Share. Both routes will lead you to the same functionality. Next, let's discuss how you can invite specific collaborators by email. In the Share window, you'll need to enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to invite. Once you've done that, it's crucial to decide on their access level. You have 3 options here. Can edit, which gives them the ability to make changes to the board. Can comment, allowing them to provide feedback without altering the content. And can view, which is perfect for those who just need to take a look without engaging further. An invaluable feature here is that editors and board co-owners will have the flexibility to adjust these permissions later on, so if situations change, you can easily update access levels. For those working within a larger organization, you may want to share with your entire team or company. Miro offers an option to set board-wide access levels for anyone associated with your team, or, if you are on an enterprise plan, your entire company. Again, you can choose whether they can edit, comment, or simply view the board. This approach is especially beneficial when you want broad visibility across your organization without the hassle of inviting each individual separately. It ensures that everyone who needs to see the board can do so in a streamlined manner. Finally, there's the option to share with a public link, allowing for visitor access. If you select anyone with the link, you enable external access, which doesn't require the viewers to register on Miro. Assign them the necessary permissions, such as view, comment, or edit, based on your collaboration needs. Keep in mind, the view-only link is accessible on both free and paid plans, but for editing or commenting privileges, you'll need to be on the starter, education, business, or enterprise plans. Another useful tip is that you can set a password on the link if your admin has enabled that feature. Once everything is set, simply click on Copy Board Link and share it with your collaborators as needed. By following these steps, you can effectively manage how your Miro board is shared, ensuring the right people have the appropriate access every time.